With Pitchly, creating marketing content is no longer a tedious and overly time-consuming process. With our easy-to-build and even easier to populate content templates, designing compelling and effective marketing content is simpler than ever. No graphic designer required. Even the least design-savvy marketer can generate compelling content in minutes. Our clients use Pitchly to generate content including bios, case studies, tombstones, practice one sheets, league table reports, and so much more. No matter what kind of repetitive, data-driven content you create, we can help. Now let's dive into how you can build and update your content templates in minutes. Kick off your design process by selecting dimensions from our pre-populated list, or enter your own custom dimensions. Next, add in different design features to the canvas to give it more visual appeal. This can be done using our Shapes tool and adjusting sizing, proportions, colors, and alignment. Duplicating design elements is really simple by using our copy and paste functionality or keyboard shortcuts. Now is where the magic really begins. On the left pane, you'll notice orange lightning bolts next to some elements. This is where you can insert dynamic content that is automatically generated from your connected databases. Using dynamic properties is where you'll experience real-time savings. This template that we're building now can be used over and over again and will automatically update with new, relevant content as it filters in your database. You can adjust these elements, both text and image, to your desired dimensions and easily drag them to the exact position you'd like them to appear in. You can also add more graphic elements to call out important information. Simply add the shape and use the Layers tab to send it behind your dynamic content that you want to highlight. You can also adjust the date and currency formats that are displayed. Now, let's see what the template that we just created looks like when it's powered by our database. Once you have your template set up, populating your data into export-ready content can be achieved in a matter of minutes. Simply filter your centralized database to find relevant data. Then, export your selections to the template and adjust based on project needs. And finally, you're able to export to PowerPoint, Word, Adobe Illustrator, or whatever your desired platform is. Once there, you can make ad hoc edits without altering the rest of your database. Are you ready to automate your content creation and gain more time for the strategy work that actually helps your firm grow? Head here to learn more about how Pitchly empowers you to dominate the intersection between content and data.